Hey folks, after an unseasonably warm election day across the valley, temperatures this evening are still unseasonably warm. Here's where we stand right now. Our average high for this time of year is 83, and we're still at or above that in many locations. A little bit cooler when you get to Harlingen and Brownsville, Weslaco, but still a very warm evening. But let's watch temperatures on Future Track and see what it suggests. And tonight, the suggestion is it stays warm and humid all night long. 8 o'clock in the morning, we're in the mid-70s, and by afternoon, back up around 90 or so, especially in the western half of the valley. Cooler at the beach, 79 to 80 for your high out there tomorrow, but that's what you would expect. Now we go into Thursday. Then we start the day in the mid-70s, and afternoon temperatures again go up around 90 or so, and by 5 o'clock we're already cooling back off because the sun sets so much earlier now, so temperatures top out 3 o'clock, maybe even early. But look at that, Friday, that front races through, and by 1 o'clock in the afternoon we are into the mid-50s. I mean, that front comes through sometime in the morning. Ahead of the front, 70s, maybe even 80 or so. But that front drops through and it's 55 degrees, 56 degrees by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So a big drop courtesy of that front. The high temperature will be just before the front comes in, and then temperatures will tumble. So if you look at the forecast, the next 2 days way above average. Friday may start about average. I mean, it may be 80 degrees at 7 o'clock in the morning, but then it's going to tumble. And we're going to end up in the 50s where we'll stay all day Saturday. Sunday we bounce back a little bit into the 60s, and then we stay below average all the way through the next several days. We don't see a big rebound, certainly not back to above average for quite some time. Patchy clouds overhead today. Let's watch Future Track, and it suggests a little fog tonight, but during the daytime tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny skies. Same kind of thing on Thursday, partly to mostly sunny. Could be an isolated shower. The models continue to hint at just a slight chance for a shower, maybe on the sea breeze. But again, the front coming down from the north, you know, the exact timing of the front, hard to say. We're still 2.5 days away, almost 3 days away, but let's just say the morning right now. So when you wake up, if it's still warm, go ahead and pack the jacket anyway. It will cool off significantly behind that front. As you saw, temperatures will tumble into the 50s and then not rebound until probably at least Sunday. Here's a picture, satellite, showing not much going on in Texas. The fronts, you know, they're kind of meandering around the middle part of the state right now. Not much going on with the fronts. And Thursday, not much has changed, but high pressure beginning to build down from the north. If you look at the top of the picture up there, you might have seen a little bit of snow way up north, but by Friday morning, Friday afternoon, the front is through. Low pressure develops on the front, eventually slides up the front. But notice even Saturday, there's clouds and perhaps a few showers left over here. By Sunday, I think that system starts to move away. And here comes another front racing across Texas on Monday. That could trigger a few more showers. But by Tuesday, it looks like a drier air mass builds in, and that gives us sunshine once again. So the ups and downs look like this. Best chance of rain from late Thursday night into Friday. Begins to taper off on Saturday. Sunday, mainly dry. Monday, another chance of rain. And then Tuesday through Friday should be dry. So tonight, partly cloudy with some patchy fog, 75 for a low, and then 90 tomorrow for a high, mainly sunny, a breezy and very warm day. So our high temperature on Friday will be in the morning at some point. Then the front comes in, temperatures drop, and by Friday evening, most readings will be in the mid-50s with a strong north wind, a lot of clouds, just a steel gray sky, and probably now it looks like some leftover light rain and drizzle. So it could be a little chilly for your Friday night football. That's your updated forecast.